eat whatever. I'm saying.
Larry, I want you, Larry. Larry the lobster.
Man, the fat ass claw, bro. I know they came off him. Nah, go ahead, baby.
No, you have to.
I need to come off that one. I know they come off this guy. This guy's hella small.
Damn.
That's claw, bro.
Oh, what?
That's all he did. Oh, I forgot that little piece.
I love it. Cooked perfectly.
Yeah.
It's not like what you call that casino that we went to? That overcooked the lobster to where you gotta like fight your head bust back. Ah.
That's called a whiplash.